you, Palmes. Okay, let's proceed to President RJ. RJ.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, RJ. Your topic, beginning and end of your topic.
Nasa kuan, ma'am. Pollution, pollutant ba to? Pollution niya, pollutant. Sa
Yes, una sa ta.
pollution, pollutant. 3.1 o 3.2. Sa dito.
Okay. Ikaw ang pinakauna. 3.1 and 3.2.
Oh, isaram na sila, ma'am.
Okay. So, first, sa imo sa tang first. Kang imong ikaduha no kay coronavirus, nakadiscuss na mo no?
Yes, ma'am. Patay.
Manakag-discuss no? Okay.
Oo, ma'am.
Okay, so for your first sa environmental pollution. Okay, so di ba there is primary and secondary pollutants. Okay, so discuss what is the difference between the primary and secondary pollutants, and then what are the ways and responsibilities that you could minimize or prevent the presence of or the contribution of primary and secondary pollutants.
So, there are two categories, ma'am, of pollutant, which is the primary and secondary. When we see primary pollutant, ma'am, this is the first category of pollutant, ma'am, in which this is a kind of pollutant. The primary pollutant, ma'am, is the gases, or this is a kind of pollutant in which is directly emitted to the atmosphere from the sources, and then there are two type of ma'am. There are two type of primary resources, primary pollutant, which is the man-made and natural. When we say natural, ma'am, it's a kind of pollutant in which, for example, the volcano. So this is a kind of pollutant in which the gases that was released by the volcano is directly emitted to the atmosphere. So this is example of natural. Then second, ma'am, is the man-made. So when we say man-made, ma'am, are those activities that was made by man, so man-made. So that was for example, if the vehicle, so and also factories and burning plastic. So those gases that was created or by the primary pollutant. So when we say secondary pollutant, ma'am, are those gases from primary pollutant mixed together in the atmosphere. So that cause global air pollution. The secondary pollutant, ma'am, are those gases that was mixed together in the atmosphere that was from the primary pollutant. Then I would for me, ma'am, I can minimize this kind of pollutant by minimizing my activity, ma'am. So for example, I would minimize burning plastic in burning our domestic waste in our home. So we are through that, so I believe that I can minimize making that certain pollutant. So also I can also for me, I can also prevent this kind to other people by leading a campaign, ma'am. Leading a campaign that was promoting or giving public awareness. If we continue this kind of activity, it may cause danger to us. It cause global warming or air pollution. So, and I can do this because I am only a student. I can do this kind of campaign by the use of social media, ma'am, because as we all know, social media is the most tool in communication, diba? I don't believe that I can so I can give public awareness to other people by simply posting or creating a group page, no? By simply posting those activity that if we continue this kind of activity, it can cause those kind of pollutant that can cause pollution, air pollution. And Air pollution. So,
Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you, Yamba. Okay, for your second question, okay ra sa imo or unya na lang tigatawagon balik?
testing para naman.
Okay, okay, so your topic is all about coronavirus. Okay, so it is believed that the coronavirus was came from carried by a bat. So it was eaten by the human, and then boom, the coronavirus happens, and then the outbreak happens. Okay.
Ma'am, asa ma'am,
So we are experiencing.
Nagputol-putol ang tingog.
Hello. Naklaro ra?
Oh, ma'am, naklaro na.
Okay, so there is katong the virus was carried by a bat and then eaten by a human, and then so the pandemic emerged. Okay, the outbreak happens. So we people, so in this pandemic we are not prepared. Diba? So we are not prepared that this pandemic will happen. Okay. In your opinion, after this pandemic will comes into close, or however it will, unsa siya kadugay, however long that may be, what should be the first step we as a global community take so that we are better prepared for the next pandemic? Okay, what are your ways or preparations if another pandemic will happen?
For me, ma'am, as a student, as a student.
Yes, as a student. In your stand lang. Yes, in your stand lang.
As a student, ma'am, gaya na ma'am, naglibog ko ma'am kung saan akong i-answer since I have no financial assistance to support certain project in order us to be prepared. But a few minutes, ma'am, I have realized that even though I am a student, I can only also contribute ideas, or I can ideas by leading certain campaign for public awareness, ma'am, that was sharing my experiences or observation in what I have observed, in this certain pandemic that what we have experienced right now. So leading a campaign that was giving suggestion, giving public awareness or sharing my experiences, and also I can do this by the use of social media. As well know, social media is the powerful tool in our new generation, diba? So by simply posting those certain what I have experienced, or by sharing what I have experienced, and also sharing the possible happen if we did not be prepared in the next pandemic that would come in the next year, ma'am, or next decade. So I would also suggest give suggestion in order those certain suggestion in order to be prepared. And I do believe, or I think the best thing I can suggest, ma'am, is that we need to expand our farmland in order in the next pandemic, in the next year, decade, or centuries, if there's new there are new pandemic, we are prepared. So I can only contribute by leading campaigns such creating group page or group page then posting no not prepared in the next time if possible then the thing we need to and also expand our agricultural production and farmland in order us to be prepared in the next pandemic. After the pandemic would come, the best thing I can do is we need to follow what is the command or what is the command of the government in order us to be safe.
Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. More done, RJ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for sharing your suggestions that you could make if the second wave or this another
Ay, napadaddition, ma'am.
pandemic.
And hopefully, ma'am, those
Yes.
certain campaign, ma'am, would be, ma'am, would, those certain campaign or those suggestion, ma'am, by getting group page is hopefully those certain suggestion is, get the attention of our government in order them to have realize or realization in order to give livelihood or to give funds in order to, ma'am, to create that certain or to that in order those certain ma'am a suggestion will be granted. So I think
RJ, I have a question. What is really the main cause? What do you think is the main cause why we have? What do you think is the cause? What's the cause rather? What's the cause why we have pandemic nowadays?
ma'am, according to my ma'am, research, there until now there are no legal or no legal document that that support the reason of why that certain pandemic happened, but until now the WHO was still investigating of the reason of why it is happened. So but there are a lot of information that I have gained, ma'am, that it is a ma'am, a man-made a bioweapon. Then naputi ma'am, naputi isa, ma'am, ako nabasa niya kung ano siya, this is a cure daw of a HIV, but namali daw siya process which is nakatag through the air. Then ang isa po na akong nabasahan is tungod daw sa ma'am, tungod sa katong bat daw, then katunay napatay nga bat, then gikaon daw sa tunggilin sa ta. Then nag-mutate dito sa kuan, then na-transfer sa human, then spread na din, ma'am, tungod sa pagki-close contact because of the droplets, ma'am, nga katong na kuan, ma'am, hantod nga nag-start din siya kuan December 2019. Then gibaliwala naman sa atong government until kuan WHO, then until March 11 na dayon siya gitawag nga pandemic. So dito na dayon, ma'am, nagkalat-kalat na dayon kay wa man na kuan, wa man ta kabalo 3 months na after kuan sa pagsugod.
Yes. As what also I observed that the other says that they use this as biological weapon para ma-decrease daw ang population. So isa na siya. Biological weapon para mogamay ang population nato sa humanity. Ang isa pod is because of because of scarcity of food resources. Okay, that is why China, they eat, as you have noticed in the palengke, silang palengke, ginakaon nila bats, dogs, and so on and so forth. Okay, I don't know if maybe their beliefs ngayon di ba, even China eat fetus for immortality. So they have their
until now, ma'am, kana siya, ma'am, agyapong gituhan, ma'am, kay katong una daw nga patient Kay wala gid daw bisan kay isa nakaanaan nga lugar. Nya na nakatinga daw sila nga natakdan og kalit na kon ako nabasahan. Wala daw kana.
Yes, maybe there.
Mong until now iimbestigahan pa po sa WHO ang reason gyud wa pa gid sa kabalo. Kay ang katuo na nga patient or na infected kay wa man gid daw kana dira bisan kay isa. Nga mahinungdan kalit-kalit pero wa gid daw kana nga lugar. Mong until now gi imbestigahan pa daw matong na research.
Yes, maybe kana siya. We can there are mga kuan lang, mga research from different researchers, but we cannot say what is the origin of the pandemic. Kaya klase-klase man sila og mga findings, diba? So so that is why I asked you suggestions. What will be your suggestions if another pandemic will happen, because we cannot prevent or unsa na kanang mo immerse ang virus. The virus is everywhere, so di lang ta makakuan. So every year or every other or every unsa na the next year or unsa pa na nga next generation, there is a pandemic, di ba? So kita as kuan, so prepared dapat ta. So unsa ito ang mga preparations. Okay, so isa na. So that's good. You will contribute your knowledge that you will learn. So you contribute your knowledge to others, unsay buhaton and so on and so forth, share your knowledge. And so okay, thank you RJ. Nag-screenshot naman ka sa kuan attendance. So okay na to siya. Nag-send na ka sa GC nato.
Picture na ako. Wa pa ba mag-send ko ron. Mag-send ko ron, ma'am. Mag-lip na mi, ma'am.
Palihog na lang ko send dito sa GCRJ for the attendance.
Ma'am.
So next kita to is Friday for oral recitation. So kato lang kay ang foxtrot o golf ugma na to sila kay di na makaya sa time alas 6 na.
Sige, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. Mag-lip na mi, ma'am.
Okay, thank you everyone. Okay. Sige, goodbye. Okay, salamat po.